Are you tired of your home looking like everyone else's? What if I told you that you could transform your space using a material that is sustainable, expressive, full of history, and incredibly stylish? Today we are talking about the beautiful blend of modern design with reclaimed wood. This combination creates a fresh, clean, contemporary look while keeping the warmth and character that makes a home feel alive. Welcome to Craft Catalog. Modern rustic fusion is all about balance. Modern style focuses on simplicity, open spaces, clean lines, and minimal clutter. Rustic style emphasizes natural textures, warm tones, and materials that feel lived in. When you combine the two, the result is a space that feels both polished and cozy. It feels inviting without feeling messy. It feels stylish without feeling cold. And reclaimed wood is the perfect bridge between those two worlds. Reclaimed wood is wood that comes from old barns, furniture, pallets, crates, fences, or buildings. It carries a story in its grain. Every mark, every texture, every weathered edge tells us it has lived a life before this one. When we use reclaimed wood in modern home decor, we are adding soul to structure. We are introducing history into the present. Before we start exploring project ideas, let us talk about why reclaimed wood is so powerful in interior design. First, reclaimed wood has a natural patina that cannot be artificially recreated. The color tones, the subtle fading, and the layered grain patterns appear naturally over time. This is what gives each piece personality. Second, reclaimed wood adds warmth to clean modern spaces. Many modern interiors use metal, glass, stone, and smooth surfaces. These materials are beautiful but can sometimes feel cold. When you add wood, especially reclaimed wood, your space becomes softer, warmer, and more welcoming. Third, using reclaimed wood is environmentally thoughtful. Instead of cutting new trees, we are giving new life to material that already exists. This is sustainable, responsible, and adds meaning to the items we create. Now, let us talk about ways we can use reclaimed wood to create modern rustic decor. These ideas are general so you can adapt them to the wood and space you already have. One idea is reclaimed wood wall art. You can cut wood pieces of different sizes and arrange them into geometric patterns, vertical designs, or simple horizontal panels. The structure is modern, but the wood gives it depth and texture. Hang it above a sofa, along a hallway, or behind a bed to create a stunning focal point. Another powerful idea is reclaimed wood shelves. Sleek shelves with straight lines instantly feel modern. When made from reclaimed wood, they also feel warm and organic. Floating shelves in particular blend beautifully into minimalist spaces. They help display your decor without overwhelming the room. You can also create a reclaimed wood coffee table or side table. Keep the shape simple. Let the wood grain be the star. When you pair the wood top with metal or matte black legs, you create a modern industrial look that feels refined and intentional. Reclaimed wood can also be used to frame mirrors, photo frames, or art pieces. This small detail adds visual interest and helps modern decor feel grounded and connected. If you want a big transformation, consider an accent wall made from reclaimed wood. Even one wall covered in reclaimed planks can dramatically change the feeling of a room. It makes the space feel layered, curated, and lived in. Accent walls are especially effective in living rooms, bedrooms, and entryways where visual impact matters most. Now, let us talk about finishing techniques because this is where the magic happens. When working with reclaimed wood, preparation should be gentle. Brush off loose dust and sand lightly only where needed. You want to preserve the natural texture, not remove it. If the wood is too rough, a light sanding will help without erasing its character. For color, consider natural stains. Light stains help wood blend into modern spaces. Dark stains add elegance and contrast. A clear matte seal can help maintain the natural tone while protecting the surface. Avoid glossy finishes as they can make the wood look artificial. Matte finishes appear more organic and contemporary. Now think about styling. To create true modern rustic fusion, keep your decor uncluttered. Display fewer items but choose items with presence. Let your reclaimed wood pieces stand out by placing them near neutrals like white, beige, gray, or black. Add greenery to bring life and freshness. Plants and wood create a natural harmony that makes any room feel comforting. Lighting also plays a major role. Warm lighting enhances the beauty of wood grain. Table lamps, string lights, wall sconces, or candles can help emphasize the rich tones and depth of the wood. When light touches the surface softly, the wood almost glows. The most important part of this design style is balance. Too much rustic can feel heavy. Too much modern can feel cold. But when we balance them, we create something special. A home that feels both stylish and personal. Chic and comforting. Modern but not sterile. Rustic but not outdated. If you have been searching for a way to make your home feel different from everyone else's, reclaimed wood decor is your secret ingredient. It brings art, history, warmth, and individuality into your living space. These pieces tell your story. They reflect your intention and your creativity. Thank you for watching Craft Catalog. If you enjoyed this video and would like more ideas for reclaimed wood, modern home decor, and simple woodworking projects, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. More inspiring and beginner-friendly designs are coming soon. Until next time, keep creating and keep exploring.